How to fix an iPad that is disabled and says connect to iTunes or Finder. So let's get started. First of all, if you can turn off your iPad, simply for iPads without a home button, press and hold volume down and top button. When the power off slider appears, slide it from left to right. If you can't turn off your iPad, it's fine to skip this step. After you do so, using the cable that came with the iPad, connect the iPad to your computer, then put the iPad into recovery mode. Then keep holding until the recovery mode screen appears on the iPad. Now on a Mac running Mac OS Catalina and higher, click on your iPad in the Finder sidebar. If you don't see it, then simply expand the location. Now click update and follow the on-screen prompts to update your iPad software. Always try this first since you don't have to delete any data from your iPad if this works. If updating does not work, then once the restore process is complete, your iPad will back to its factory new state. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.